the wonderful Mr. Jimmy Bird.
I used to be a lifeguard on Brighton Beach, which is tough, because it's not a sandy beach, it's rocks. So I had to kind of tiptoe down to the rescue. Across like broken glass, dog poo, heroin needles. By the time I got down to the water, blown out my armbands, it was too late. And I couldn't just dive straight in either, because it was freezing. I had to get the other lifeguard to splash me a bit first. Get me to the conditions. I got sacked eventually. Turns out you are meant to say the ginger ones as well.